Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss 15 current affair related questions. Let us start. Who has become the India's 67th Grandmaster? And this is related to chess for those who don't know. I'll give you 3 seconds to answer. And the answer is Leon Mendonca. He is from Goa. There is one more possibility of question is from which state Leon Mendonca belongs to. He is 14 years old. Next question. Ministry of Finance has mandated that business with monthly turnover of over dash will have to mandatory pay at least 1% of the GST liability in cash. I'll give you 3 seconds. And the answer is 50 lakhs. One more possibility question is what is the percentage of GST? What is the percent of GST they need to pay in cash? That is 1%, at least 1%. Okay. Next question. What was the name of the largest online event inaugurated by the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare to accelerate innovation in agriculture? And the answer is Agri India Hackathon. One more possible question is who inaugurated? The answer should be Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Next question. Which state has received annual awards for excellence in implementation of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana mission under Affordable Sustainable Housing Accelerators India? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. There are many other categories. Okay. Next. Mathiketan Slola National Park is located in which state? Mathiketan Shola National Park is located in which state? And the answer is Kerala. Next question. What was the name of the certification course released by Prime Minister on innovation construction technology? The answer is Nivritti. The full form of Nivritti is New Affordable Validated Research Innovation Technologies for Indian Housing. Next, the term blue economy is related to what? The answer is sustainable use of ocean resources for economic growth. If you find any terms related to marine or any related to ocean, okay, all this comes under blue economy. So basically ocean resources for economic growth. Next one. Michael Kindo, who was Olympic medalist, passed away recently. He belongs to which sports? And the answer is hockey. Next question. IUC is the term recently in news which is related to telecommunication. What is IUC? And the answer is interconnect usage charge. Next question. Center for Innovation in Science and Social Action Institute will organize the 4th Global Ayurveda Festival 2021 in which state? This is virtually. And the answer is Kerala. Next question. Deepor Bill Ramsar site located in which state? And the answer is Assam. Next question. Who is the chairman and managing director of Bharat Biotech International Limited? There is a possibility of this question because of vaccine. And the answer is Dr. Krishna L. Next question. Which state government has set up Tamil Academy to promote its language and culture? Which state? And the answer is Delhi government. And there is one more possibility of question is Delhi government has set up Dash Academy to promote its language and culture. And the answer should be Tamil Academy. Next question. Who has been elected as the president of All India Chess Federation? And the answer is Sanjay Kapoor. Last question. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of High Court for Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh? And the answer is Justice Pankaj Mittal. Thank you. If you like, please share, subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you once again.